Hi, welcome back. In the previous video, we talked about the Genesys Cloud platform. Now we're going to give you overview about the Genesys Cloud CX. Now this is a short video with a very brief descriptions of what is the CX. Now the company often is spread across multiple locations depending on how large organization you are. And you may need a unified communication system to work efficiently. Generally, every organization will need a single application with utility that meets the contact center requirement for customers interaction and as well as communication among the team members. Genesys Cloud CX Collaborate supports the unified collaboration. It enables communication among people, users, and team, the agent, within the organization and serves as a corporate user directory. The following are advantages of using unified collaboration within a large organizations. You have instant communication with coworkers, enables you to accomplish more complex tasks in a short time. Therefore, increase productivity and performance of your organization's need. You can also do instant messaging cost, which cost are very significantly less as opposed to having a long distance phone conversation. You can also use unified collaboration to bring teams together regardless of their physical location by having a chat room and video conversations. Genesys Cloud CX Collaborate features include chat, video chat, content management, and directory. In a text chat, you can send an instant message to a single recipient or a group of people within your organization, just like Microsoft Messenger, Live Messenger, or Facebook Messenger, Yahoo Messenger, etc. You can start a conversation with one person and then invite others to join that conversation to form a personal group. So kind of like similar to group chat. Alternatively, you can also chat with an existing group to ask a question, make an announcement, or monitor a group discussions. Now, some of the individual additional features include formatting a text in a chat, sending files as attachment, or images through your chat, and viewing the recent activity. Genesys Cloud CX Webhook, which is chat for chat notification, integrate feature that automatically posts messages to group chat about the event that are occurring within your services. You can use a query to set up the type of event to push, and then select which group chat should receive that notifications. So Genesys Cloud CX will support webhook integration through using a third-party system like Bitbucket, GitHub, Jenkins, Jira, PagerDuty, Pivotal Tracker, Status Page, Trello, User Voice, and Zendesk. Now the video chat, Genesys allow you to start a video chat with up to 12 people from your organization. You can share your screen. You can specify which others to present the slideshow. You can demo an application, review a design. More, all can be done during a video chat. Screen sharing is available in your desktop app as well as using and Google Chrome. Content management, which allows you to upload any files. Now keep one thing in mind that Genesys does not do virus check on those files that you upload, so make sure that file is clean, and any number of files to your workspace from your desktop or mobile devices. These files can be shared with both members and non-members of the Genesys organization. Other features include like adding multiple tags to a file so that you can sort them out, or view the audit trail of a file, like who has accessed it last time, who modified it, and view the available access level and permission that are associated with that file in your workspace. Now, then you have the user directory features that allows you to manage groups, locations, profile, and external contact groups, which basically user directory. You can use a directory to connect user based on their skills, relationship, location, anything else that to create a group within your organization. For example, let's say you have an accounting department, right? All the people that are working in that accounting department has one thing is relationship that's going for them, that they're all accountant or related to accounting. So therefore you may create a group called accounting and make those user member of those group. You want to customize a profile configuration for your organization. You can use the directory to achieve that. You can add cities, buildings where your users are working or their locations, for example. You can upload a floor plan for each level of a building, and user can then show their exact location on that floor plan. So sometimes you may have a floor plan that digitally available. You upload it, and as you upload that, then you can say, okay, this user is located on the 5th floor on the west side of the building on the cubicle number 4, so that the user can be easily located. You can build a comprehensive repository of your data about your external organization and contact. Basically create a phone books and external contact list. You can create a streamlined view of all your contact and organizational data in a single locations. It also allows you to add individuals to group or add people by keywords and relationship using your group membership rule. So these are some of the features that are currently available in your Genesys Cloud CX collaboration feature. So those are the overview about this product and in terms of what it can do from a collaborative perspective. All right, so that's it for this video, and I will see you in the next video.